Hi, Tom Snow here again. In this next series of videos, I'm going to discuss some of the ins and outs of Vidnami, some of its great features and secrets. This video will be a quick overview. Remember, you can catch the full version in the original trainings listed in the description below. For this third one, I'm going to discuss some of the secrets with placements. So let's take a look. So now, let's look at the finished product. So today we scratched the surface on what Vidnami can do. We're just looking at the basics. We're going to spend other days and other videos reviewing some of the finer details. This is exciting stuff that you can create wonderful, amazing videos. And you saw that. Like, how great is that you can create a video like that in a matter of minutes? I mean, most other software takes you hours and usually days. You don't have to put your face in there. You don't have to have your voice in there. You can create what you want. Okay, well, thanks for being here today. Be sure to click on my subscribe button and ring the bell on my YouTube channel so you can stay alerted to each new upcoming video as they're released. To your success.